Hello watch fans, Birth Year Watches here, and you may have just watched the video we've done on this review Tommen GSTP, General Service Trade Patent Military Issued Watch. Well, this time we've got a 1940 Vulcain military issued watch, and this was issued to the Air Ministry 1940, so we know that this has seen a bit more action, and you can tell the condition isn't as good. It's a bit battered on the case, it's a chromed case, the dial has cracks, it's slightly discoloured, that could be the glass but it might be the dial. No loom on this one, blued hands, Arabic numbers, the Taytale train track around the outside. This is a clip-on case back. I'm probably going to need the tool for this. Let me just grab the tool. So you've got the GS6E50 inside. Vulcain has stamped a lot of their history regarding how good they were at providing chronometers. That's on the dust cover. There is a further, once that is, just click that open. 15 jewel Vulcain movement. Runs well. It's a little graunchy when winding sometimes, but otherwise good. It does take a full wind. Sometimes it just needs to be re-engaged, but you can see it winding there, and that's fully wound. A piece of military history. 1940 obviously was the Battle of Britain, the time where the RAF was needed at its most, and this watch will have done a small part to help. Thanks for watching.